seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero.
Hey, hi beauties, this is Uma. You are watching Beauty Tips with Uma. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe before heading to the video. This is the look which I have been created by using my favorite PH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. Check out the palette in my description box for more video info. First thing, I use ELF Milk Primer Toner to my skin before doing makeup. This toner can help foundation long lasting, and for dry skin, this can help your skin to hydrate for long term. Here I am using two shades of foundation for today's look. This one is from LA Colors, Truly Matte. It is long wearing and highly pigmented foundation, and the shade is Soft Beige, CLM 354. The next one is W7 Genius Foundation. It is a feather light foundation in the shade of Tree Breach. Blending both shades by my favorite makeup brushes. Check out my description box for my brushes. After blending with a brush, I really want a high coverage on long lasting finish, and more important, no more cake makeup on my skin. So here is the simple trick. Using a use and throw soft sponge and pressing it to the complete face. The sponge can remove excess makeup from the skin and gives you finished matte look. Here I am using Rimmel London Stay Satin Concealer in the shade of Warm to cover my dark circles. The same concealer I am using to my eyelid like a base and also to cover dark pigments on my eye. Pressing up with a soft sponge to cover the pigments on my eye. Using Revlon pressing powder, it's a nearly naked press powder in the shade of medium Moyani. Best for Indian skin. Keep your foundation long lasting and finish coverage look. Using the semi-color blush palette from the palette for today's look, shade is Neutral. Neutral blush can make your cheeks so blush and glowy for any events. This is my best palette in my collections. It's a Love Sign Zodiac palette with 24 colors eyeshadow and one highlighter. First, I am going to start up my base coat for the crease area. I am using Virgo base shade blending to crease area to enhance my look.
Every heartbeat.
Using the Gemini shade from the same palette and creasing to my corner lid, giving a light smoky look to the corner lid. Using a plain creasing brush and blending the both colors a very light part to make a good classy look, repeating the same thing on my second eye. Using Gemini shimmer shade eyeshadow and applying to the middle eye to highlight the eye part. This shimmer shade can give highlight a luminous look on eye, and the shade is absolutely stunning for any aesthetic wear.
When your nightmares turn to real life. face it, standing side by side.
Here I am using Cancer shade eyeshadow and pressing to the inner corner eyelid. This shimmer shade can make your look little bit more fabulous look for events and photo shoots for good looking pictures. And for my water lower eyelid, I am going to blend up with Virgo eye shade which I use it to my base coat of eyelid. This can make you extra high coverage look without showing any dark circles underneath of your water eye. To my eyebrow, I am using silver highlighter from the same eyeshadow palette. This is so shimmery and light in color, perfect for classy look. Using black smoky eye shade from the same palette in the shade of Sagittarius and filling water eyelid. I am not using any black pencil for today's look. This shade can make your look light, smoky and spark effect on your eye.
Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do.
After my shades, I am filling eyebrows. For the first, I used to comb my eyebrows to make it in a good shape. Here I am using Revlon Colorstay Brow Creator in the shade of Urban, filling the brows without any excess gap and dusting the brows to make sure I am not having any middle gaps of brows.
Window, no, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you.
Using LA Colors Volume Mascara and filling the lashes. I am not using any fake lashes for today's look. To my lips, using LA Colors Red Lipstick with a glossy flavor. This lipstick makes looks more authentic.
You go to war, then I'm going with you.
Using MAC lip pencil in the shade of red color and filling my shape of the lips. This can be fully filler your lips so perfect. Finally blending the highlighter to the highlighting part. Here comes more perfection and full matte finish makeup look that can wear for any parties and events to get a picture perfect photography. Follow me for more on Insta, which is scrolling here. We'll be back soon with a brand new makeup look every week. Stay tuned. Bye.
Ground's filled up with landmines. We will face it, standing side by side.